Hi, Grow investors, and welcome to the site of our newest industrial resident here in Guilford County. I'm on the site of Prepac. This is where Prepac, the Canadian furniture manufacturer, will soon set up shop here in Guilford County. Normally, we'd have a big announcement. We'd have a stage, we'd invite all of the public officials in, we'd invite you, we'd have you out here, we'd have the company officials, Jim Matheson with Prepac, and we talk about this announcement, how exciting it is for Guilford County. Unfortunately, we've got a virus that's running around, and so we can't do that. So we decided we'd do it on a video, and then of course a release that we've got down below here that you can read at your leisure. But we first wanted to say an awful lot of thank yous. First of all, to Prepac and Jim Matheson and his whole team who chose Guilford County. We won't let you down. We think this is going to be a wonderful spot for your business, and we look forward to seeing you grow here. 201 jobs to start, hopefully more than that down the line. A $27 million capital investment, hopefully more than that down the line. We're really looking forward to having you in our community and helping you be successful and grow your company here in the United States. We need to thank a number of folks in our development community, our partners who helped make this possible. Davis and Craven, Williams Development Group, Schulman and Beard, Landmark Builders, and CBRE of the Triad. Thank them very much for helping us put this together. Couldn't have done it without them. Obviously, an incredible facility that they put together out here at Rock Creek that I think was ultimately the big part of the decision for Prepac to come here, is that they're walking into a building that is ready to go, a shell building that's ready to go. And I think they've told a number of folks that was a big part of them choosing Guilford County. Lastly, I'd like to thank somebody here who's behind the camera, David Ramsey. A big thank you to him. He is leaving us soon, unfortunately. Unfortunately for us, fortunately for those who are getting him. The Landmark Builders team is getting him. But what a way to go out. It's always good to go out on a win, and this was certainly a really good win to go out on. And then lastly, thanks to all of you all of our Grow investors who help fund our economic development efforts, help make this possible for us to do what we do on a daily basis and get some wins like this for Guilford County. Thank you.